Hello everyone. Nature, the best therapy. There's nothing more refreshing than exercising amidst nature. The fresh air, the soothing sounds of birds, and the gentle rustling of leaves create a perfect harmony for the body and mind. Whether it's a morning walk, yoga in the park, or a run along a scenic trail, nature enhances every moment, making exercise not just a routine but a blissful experience. Breathe deeply, move freely, and embrace the healing power of the outdoors. Stay active, stay healthy, and let nature be your gym. I love being outside in nature, where the fresh air, open skies, and the melody of birds bring a sense of peace and joy. Every moment spent among the trees, flowers, and the flowing waters fills my heart with gratitude and serenity. Yes, stepping outside is not just a choice. I feel it's a blessing to me. Yes. In nature's embrace, I feel free, connected, and truly alive. My heart belongs to the trees, the skies, and the whispering winds forever. They're my best friend. Climbing trees takes me back to the carefree days of my childhood, where laughter echoed through the branches and the world felt limitless. Yeah, each rustling leaf and sturdy branch reminds me that the nature has always been the greatest companion, offering adventure, solace, and endless joy. Yeah, and sitting high up in the tree feels incredible, like being cradled by nature itself. And you know what? And the view from above brings a sense of calm and freedom. It's a place to reflect, dream, and simply be. Up in the heights, away from the world's rush, I feel closer to the sky and at peace with nature. And you know what? Feeding birds, providing them comfort, and keeping their feeder clean, that is my duty towards nature. These little souls bring joy to the world with their songs and presence. And it is our responsibility to care for them. A simple act of kindness towards birds that nurtures the harmony of nature and fills the heart with peace. You know what? I touch the branches and leaves, feeling their silent emotions. I sing for them, and in return they whisper their melodies in the wind. Every rustling leaf shares a story. Every swaying branch, the branches, that dances with joy. I can see that. Nature listens, understands, and embraces me with its gentle presence. I love to watch the trees stand tall, rooted in wisdom and strength. The leaves flutter like they are laughing, rejoicing in the rhythm of life. Yeah. Each touch connects me deeper, as if nature and I share a secret language. Yeah, the trees breathe, the flowers bloom, and the wind, they carries love. In nature's presence, I find peace, love, and a world beyond words. Every moment spent with trees is a moment spent with my soul. Right? The trees whisper. They whisper wisdom. The rivers sing melodies. And the breeze carries love. Every flower, every leaf, every sunrise fills my heart with gratitude. Nature is a divine gift. Nature is my peace, my joy. And nature is my greatest teacher. I learned a lot from nature. I find a lot of love. Yes. I love going on a swing in the heart of nature. The fresh breeze, the soothing sounds of birds, and the gentle sway that make me feel light and free. It is a moment of pure joy, like floating with the wind, reconnecting with my inner child. Nature's embrace and the rhythm of the swing fill my heart with happiness and peace. In nature, I find comfort, strength, and endless wonder. It heals me, inspires me, and reminds me of life's true beauty. Nature is not just a part of my life. Actually, it's my everything. Yes. And you know what? I love to read in nature, where the gentle breeze turns the pages and the rustling leaves create a soothing melody. Surrounded by trees, flowers, and the open sky, every word feels more alive. Every story more magical. Nature becomes my quiet library, where wisdom flows from both books and the whisper of the wind. In this peaceful embrace, I lose myself in the stories, while finding a deeper connection with the world around me. Also, I thank nature for its endless beauty, for the trees that give shade, the rivers that sing, and the sky that embraces all. Every flower, every blaze, and every sunrise fills my heart with joy and peace. I am deeply grateful to God for everything He has given me in this life. This love and the ability to cherish His beautiful, amazing creation. So pretty, beautiful. Every moment in nature, it's a reminder of His divine presence, a blessing to be treasured. For every sunrise, you inspire me. With every breeze, you refresh me. I'm grateful for your beauty, for your wisdom, and the love you pour into this world, into my world. Thank you so much. Thank you, nature. I thank for your endless beauty, for your endless love. You are kind. I love you so much. I adore you. Thanks again. Thank you so much. You're the best gift in my life. And you're my greatest teacher.
So red.
My guru. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Take care.
Okay.
Bye. Peace.